Thank you to our Slovenian customer for purchasing EA500C6 rental LED display. Durability and convenience are paramount for rental LED displays, and EA500C6 is an ideal choice. Thanks to its well-designed handles and quick lock mechanism, installation is quick and easy. EA500C6 rental LED display cabinet is made of die-cast aluminum, while all screws and quick locks are made of stainless steel, making it more robust and durable. The rear cover can be opened for ventilation or maintenance. For easy transport, we have added corner protectors to all four corners, ensuring the safety of the LED display during transportation and installation. EA500C6 rental LED display is a high-quality LED display that withstands the test of time and boasts excellent quality.